Hello, Paul Trani here, and I'm excited to share with you sharing and collaborating with others without even leaving Photoshop. In fact, this is the design I'm working on. Yeah, I could use some help with it. In fact, right up here, you can see this icon, Share Documents. You can go ahead and share. You can invite other people to edit the file if you want to, but all I want to do is just go ahead and change this to allow anyone with the link to comment on it. So that's what I'm doing, right? Adjusting accordingly, copying that link, and I can go ahead and share this with others on social media, such as good old Twitter or Instagram, whatever the case may be. So once I start getting feedback, I don't need to jump to any other app or anything. I just go to Window down to Comments right here. We can open up that panel. You can see people are commenting as I scroll down. Love it. Could do some other color versions. That's great. And again, I can type in great. Will do. Because I will try new color versions, as you can see. Brighten it up a bit. Gladly, I will. And yeah, kind of sharpen it up as well. So those are all the comments. What's cool about this comment from Gus is he actually puts a pin down. You could do that, and when they look at that link, they could actually put a pin down saying, hey, you know what? Maybe play with the angle of the arm. So a number of suggestions I can go ahead and work with. I can maybe do a puppet warp with this arm and just kind of adjust it accordingly, like Gus suggests. Try different angles, right? I can make those adjustments. I could also play with the background and brighten it up based on those suggestions. And let's go ahead and maybe turn off that brightness and contrast there as well, because I have some muted tones with hue and saturation adjustment layers. But I'm making all those changes from within Photoshop, referencing the comments off to the side, even ones that are pinned, and all I have to do is, again, just save the file. It's automatically being saved anyways. And I want to remind you also of version history. So version history right in here, open up that panel because all of that is being saved. So if I do decide I want to go back to an older version or the client asks me to, hey, guess what? I can jump back to that older version, like this spooky version I was working on a little bit ago. Notice that it is already, say, bookmarked, as you can see, but I have all that squared away. I'd say that looks pretty good, and I encourage you to use comments in Photoshop. It is so nice. It's so easy for your clients, for your friends, and easy for you to get feedback as well. Thanks so much for watching.